What's up? It's your boy Project with another video. And on this, my video is short, sweet, to the point. And on this video, should you go 22s or 24s on your car? And I recently got another tire put on. They have to balance it, and they put those little weights on the inside. And okay, after that, I noticed I heard a little knocking whenever my wheel would turn. So I investigated, and it was the weight hitting the inside right here. So I would say 22s, but my 24, if you like me, don't care. So, because it scrubs a little when I back up, but it turns fine going forward either way. So I went to O'Reilly. For $16, you can get these, even though I don't need it for one side, to knock the wheel out just a little bit, to give me a little clearance from that weight hitting it every time it hits a revolution. I got the wheel spacers on, and outside of me needing the space from that weight on my rim, I can back up now and turn either way without scrubbing. So I guess that's two birds with one stone. So if you get 24s, get you some wheel spacers, and it'll take care of everything you need. So if you can deal with it's a pain with rims. I've been on rims 15 plus years on a Grand Marquis that's still in Mississippi at my mom's house, and on here it's a headache. But sometimes, I'm a car junkie. I love to make things look good no matter what I'm riding in. So to each his own. I'm willing to deal with the headache, but you won't have to worry about all that rubbing and stuff if you was to cut and all that stuff, which I'm not trying to do no more. That's why I deal with the scrubbing, but I'm not gonna cut on my car, because I put the factory back on if I decide to trade it, which I don't plan on doing. So to each his own. Just my little quick tip. And gas mileage really don't change. It's about the same, depending on how you drive. But that's my little 2 cents. Me personally, I like the look of cars. I like to see other people's creation, but people don't realize how much of a headache that goes into it. Well, you might say, well, if you get it done right, but like I said, all that cutting and stuff, I ain't trying to do, because I've been thinking about going 26s for the longest. But nah, I got a partner with a car just like this with the Hemi, and he got some 6s on it. I'm like, man, I looked under there and seen all the stuff that he had on there. I'm like, man, you went through a headache to get all this stuff done. So I say 24s is the tallest you should go, because the only thing you have to cut, which I didn't mind doing because it don't affect it none whatsoever, is shaving that bolt. Just shave it just a little hair before you get to the nut. You will have no problem, because the way the suspension is set up, no matter how much it bounces, that bolt is gonna stay right there. It won't never touch the tire, I promise you. So I haven't had any problems, just a little scrubbing whenever I back up. But once I go forward, I can turn either way the whole turn. So, but like I say, to each his own. But I just love the way cars look when they self-made or whatever. And I finally broke on down and got through with my mirrors today, but it wasn't rain. But I'm glad I did it earlier. Painted my mirrors finally, and I did my grill. So many people like, man, you should do the grill. I did the grill too, y'all, and I did real good, man. It looked glossy, just like from factory, even though it's nothing but a gloss plastic dip from O'Reilly, and I did it on my own. I'm contemplating doing the hood. I don't know yet. I'm still back and forth about it. But the way the mirrors look, man, I just might break on down. I plan on taking the hood off, putting it over there in the grass so I can. It takes a lot of extra time to tape off all this area, windshield, fender, all that. So I'd rather just take the little 4 bolts out, take the hood off, put it over there, and get my spray on. But that's my little 2 cents on the video. I like the way my car coming out, it looks meaner. But that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, add me on Snapchat, Project P24, I think it is. But anyway, please like, subscribe, tell a friend. Hey, I ain't nothing like these other YouTubers or whatever. They lie to you, give you false information. Hey, I'm short, sweet, to the point. I ain't finna have no 10-minute videos unless I can help it. But until next time, holla at your boy.